Good morning guys, today we are at Keukenhof, so it's the biggest flower garden in the world. We're based in Holland, so we say okay, why not showing this garden to you guys. So before I show you the park, I wanted to do a small introduction. So basically, if you want to come here, you have to fly to Amsterdam. You can either come by bus or by car. If you want to rent a car, it's actually cheap. It will cost you around $40–50 a day. So it's a pretty good price, and the entrance to the park is 17 euros. You might find some websites that will offer the ticket to you for $30 to skip the line, but it's not really worth it. I mean, unless you come at 12 and it's full of people, it's not really worth it. Right now it's 8 o'clock and there was no queue whatsoever. If you want to stay at a hotel, that will cost you a little bit more. So the price for a hotel here is around $120, but it's worth it. I mean, if you want to come to this park, that's the only way to do it, unless you live in Holland and you perfectly know how to come. Alright, time to show you the park. There is free Wi-Fi inside the park, so you don't need to buy any SIM card if you're only coming for the park. And this is actually the map. Okay, yeah. So you can see in the middle is Willem-Alexander, so that's the King of Holland, and this is the biggest part of the park. And then here on the east side, you can see there's a windmill, and there are 2 restaurants in the park as well. So this is the Willem-Alexander area of the park, and it's all inside, and they have all the categories of flowers here. So as you can see, they have Tulipa Big Love, Tulipa Nirvana, Istanbul. So you see, like, it's proper big. Hello. Okay, so our visit of the garden is finished. We've stayed in the garden for like 3.5 hours, so I think that if you stay 3 hours is more than enough. Like, it's very beautiful. However, I would say it's not as impressive as the one in Dubai, but if you come to the Netherlands, it's definitely something to do. Like, very beautiful. Right now we're going to have lunch because the food was extremely expensive inside the park. Like, a hot meal for 15 euros. Well, it's actually a normal price for the Netherlands, yeah, but you know, a portion of fries was also 7 euros. So yeah, a bit too expensive. So now we're going to take the car, and I don't know if I mentioned that before, but the ticket for the parking is 6 euros, which is okay. It's not too bad. This is the parking, by the way. We've walked for 15 minutes before finding the car, and we finally found it. Jesus, that parking lot is super big. So I'm gonna quickly show you the car. So this is the car you can get for $40 a day. It's a pretty good deal, so yeah. Alright guys, so we had lunch and we've just given the car back, unfortunately, because I love driving, but hey, that's life. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the garden. We also wanted to go to Haarlem, but that will be for another time. So before we leave Holland, we will go for a tour around Holland and yeah, and show you the most beautiful cities and must-dos in the country. For now, if you like the video, then smash the subscribe button, please. Like the video and see you soon. Bye bye.